Hello friends, I'm Joana from Joana Miranda Studio, and this is my video series, Art Bag, Time-Saving Tips and Tricks. In today's video, I'm going to talk about where I find my inspiration, in particular, where I find my inspiration when I'm not at home. And I'm going to show how you can actually find inspiration just about anywhere around you if you know where to look. Having a routine workspace is of course very helpful. You know where your supplies are, you don't have to go looking for things, and you have a setup that is very comfortable to you. But when you're traveling as I am, sometimes having to think outside the box can actually really stimulate the creative juices. So today what I've done is gone out into her garden and just gathered a couple things that I found, some twigs, a rock, I don't know, this is the top of a dead daisy, and some little flowers. And I found a portion of a, I guess this is a little acorn, so top of an acorn. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a little picture. I'm using today to draw a zebra pen. The reason why I'm going to use this pen, you'll see in a bit, it's not completely waterproof, and I'm actually going to use that, I hope, to my advantage. Okay, so let's get started with the drawing. And there you have a silly little drawing that I've done using this zebra pen. Now I can go back in with my water brush pen and I can just see if some of the ink has actually dried. Sometimes when you go quick enough, let's add a little bit of ink here, you can see that it will actually do a little bit of smudging like watercolor. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'll reposition my props, little flower that he's holding. Okay. And that concludes today's Art Bag Time-Saving Tips and Tricks video. I post these videos every Monday and Friday. If you like this video, I hope you'll consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, if you subscribe to my channel, don't forget to toggle on the little bell, because if you do, you will get a notification every single time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!